BMW X5. Now it's wake up, but suddenly sometimes is not working radio. But now it's coming with light. But now it's coming, yes, radio. But before was you push and happens nothing. Push, happens nothing. And what I have done, I open everything here in back, and here is this amplifier and radio, and I have moved like this connector strongly, and suddenly there I push and it starts. So it is something bad connection inside here in this unit. So maybe try to open and look some cracks or some bad solder points. So now I try to do that. I have resoldered all these connectors, same inside here in this plate, and also all this. So we test it and see what happens. Of course, I take it out from the case. It's just 6 or 8 screws and one plate holder. We will see what happens.